Sarah Urban, Vice President of IT for Charter Manufacturing. Yeah, Charter Manufacturing is a fourth-generation family-owned company. Essentially, we are a metals manufacturer. Our biggest division makes steel, and we also make iron, largely from recycled materials. We essentially make we call it the big slinky of steel. We sell that to our customers, and they form it into a safety-critical part for motion industries like heavy trucks or automobiles. We are seeing now a lot of movement in steel industry towards smart manufacturing, or what we call Industry 4.0. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, and there's so much you can do now with data and analytics to drive your business forward. We're partnering with our largest division, Charter Steel, to build a digital strategy to help align with their business strategy to make sure that we're laying the foundation to enable all of these technologies to be successful in the future. How did we start our journey with HCL? We embarked on a project to build a long-term IT strategy for Charter. As we did that, what we found was we had a real need to have a more strategic partner. To start, we had a very good transition. Some of the strengths that we're seeing right now are the breadth of capabilities. We don't have anywhere near the breadth of capabilities in some of the areas we've talked about where we want to go. So we are introducing some next generation BI and analytics capabilities. We're also looking at all of these things to support our businesses from an Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing perspective. One of the main reasons why we chose HCL was the commitment to make sure that regardless of what the contract said, the way that we work together works for both of us and allows us to fulfill our business needs. So we've seen that a little bit in the early on days with HCL when we started transitioning and realized that we were short in resources for our modern technologies in our BI stack. So the HCL has been very flexible in working with us to shift resources within our contract and make sure that that works for us and it works for our customers. So we're really excited about that, and I would say going forward we're planning to utilize some of the ideapreneurs from HCL to help us innovate in some of our key processes. All right. So I selected the butterfly as a metaphor for Charter's relationship for HCL because a butterfly's life cycle is ever evolving and transforming, and we expect our relationship with HCL to effectively blossom and transform the way we work with IT and the way IT at Charter works with our businesses going forward. All right, how much time do I have to pick it?